Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing well. Today we will be starting the second part of temperate grassland, that will start from life in the grassland. The major occupation of the people in temperate grassland is agriculture and livestock farming. Since the grasslands have rich soil, people here grow a variety of food crops such as corn, wheat, barley, oats and soybean. Now children, what do you mean by livestock? Livestock is the rearing of cattle. Okay. So let us see some pictures of the vegetation as I had showed you earlier also. See, maize, this is barley and that is rye. These are the vegetation which is grown in this part of the world. Another major economic activity of people is livestock rearing. People in the grassland live on huge farms that are called ranches or homesteads in North America. So what are ranches? Ranches are huge farms. Okay, it is also known as homesteads in North America and Australia, and estancias in South America. The same thing, ranches or homesteads is same as estancias. Just the place differs from the place and the language also differs. What is ranches? You can also, the other name of ranches is homesteads as well as estancias. The places differ, that is North America and Australia and South America. Okay. Cattle are reared here for dairy products and meat. This is livestock rearing, children. Why? Because for their dairy products and meat. Sheep rearing is practiced for both meat and wool in many parts of Australia. Now sheep, children, from sheep we get the woolen clothes. Okay. That is also reared. Prairies of North America. The vast grasslands in North America, also known as prairies, extended from Canada to Mexico. So from Canada to Mexico is your prairies. Drained by the Mississippi and Missouri rivers, the land is extremely fertile. The prairies experience hot and wet summer and cold winter. Now children, they are watered by this, abundant of water is there because of Mississippi and Missouri. These two rivers gives water to this place. Okay. The major occupation of the people is agriculture, and farmers maintain large farms where corn and wheat are grown. Now children, the major occupation is agriculture. So you all can underline, the major occupation of people is agriculture. Okay. And we'll go back, that is livestock rearing is another occupation. Why? Because of the dairy product and meat. Sheep rearing is also done because of their meat and wool. Agriculture, livestock rearing and sheep rearing is very common over there. Prairies are also called the wheat basket of the world, as the surplus is exported to other nations, used mainly as grazing grounds. The prairies are now one of the largest cultivated lands in the world and have mechanized farms. Corn, wheat, barley, oats, rye are some of the important crops grown here. Cattle rearing is another important occupation in this region. Okay children, so what we have learnt over here is that prairies is also called the wheat basket of the world. Why? Because of its surplus. Surplus means to have a lot. Okay, they produce wheat to the maximum and they export it all over the world. That is why they are known as wheat basket of the world. The prairies are also rich in minerals such as lignite, coal and mineral oil. Okay children, so let us see how they are harvesting. What kind of machines they use. Over here you see it is ploughing. See this acre of land, this machine, this tractor, they plows the whole land. And then it is sowing, it is again done by a machine. This is the sowing machine and then harvesting. See, the grains are falling into this empty truck and then is threshing. So they are totally modernized with their machines. Okay children, so we come to an end of this chapter. So let us sum up what we learned. First we learned temperate grasslands, where all the temperate grassland is. Let us see once again. Over here I will show you a better one where we can get the name of the temperate grasslands. Over here, prairies, North America, South America, pampas, Africa, savannas and velds, Europe and Asia, steppes, and Australia, down. Okay, these are the major grasslands of the temperate zone. Then we come to the climate, hot summers and cold winters with little rainfall. Vegetation is tall and short grasses. Wildlife, grazing animals and rodents, animals like bisons and rodents are also there. Life, it is agriculture, their main occupation is agriculture and livestock farming. Thank you so much children. Take care, be safe and bye. Thank you so much.